Hello, my name is Ron Friedman. Today I want to show you how to use Mavi Vital device for blood pressure measurement. To start, turn on your device. Just put the finger here on the button for 5 seconds. Device is turned on. So, using your Mavi Vital is very simple. Open your armband and slide your arm through the position the Mavi Vital device on the inside of your upper left arm. One inch or 2 centimeters above the joint of your elbow. To measure the distance, you can use your fingers. 2 fingers is enough. Now put your device in the cradle. You should hear a small knock. Now device is ready to work. So, Mavi logo should be facing down toward the hand. Fit the device snugly and place not too tight. Rest your arm on a flat surface, for example on a table, with your palm facing up, and you're ready to use Mavi Vital device. Make sure you are sitting comfortably and wearing your Mavi Vital device correctly. Open your app. Then you will see a scan button. Use blood pressure. Choose blood pressure to initiate the measurement. In a second, cuff will start inflating. The app will instantly display your results and automatically store your results in your memory. Thank you.